Advertising and the consumer's purchasing process. How do you buy? Most consumers rarely ever make a spontaneous purchase. This type of purchases are usually with small ticket items, and although it might seem truly spontaneous, it is probably a process of priming and eliminating of negative feelings in regards to making that purchase. From the consumer point of view, and in marketing, the purchasing process is described as this: recognizing a problem and perceiving to have a need. It's spring, I need a new outfit, or my car has been giving me trouble, I need a new car. The consumer then moves on to search of information and value, looking out for prices, models, designs, and more. Then moving on to comparing between the findings, making a decision and purchase, and lastly, there is a post-purchase assessment. From an advertising point of view, these are opportunities to display different types of advertisements. It's important to note that the distance between the steps is not fixed and does vary from purchase to purchase. This model, published in 1961, has been used in my advertising education constantly. It shows the purchasing process and the correlating behavior realm. It shows here cognitive is the logical step where we become aware and learn of the product. Affective is the emotional involvement that is developed as we gain positive attitude, like a product, and eventually prefer it. The cognitive realm is in your wallet. This is where we've been convinced that if our need is real, the product we chose is the right choice, and then we make a purchase. So what type of ads would you find that will increase your awareness and knowledge of a product? Here's our few examples. Here is a teaser campaign for a big ticket item, a product, a car that requires a lot of mental effort and physical one. If you count all the hours towards this purchase, that is why this ad has descriptive, lengthy, intriguing writing, including a promise of amazing performance. The teaser element is found in both predictive element that the car is only its pre-sale stages, or booking as it's called here, and the clever display of the bare car. Showing the car bare challenges the viewer to start looking for information about the car, to see how the car really looks like. Seeing only the leather seats provide additional promise of quality. This ad teaches the consumer of the coming new model and some of its prominent features. In the next steps, as advertisers, we try to establish preference to a product over others, and it's best done if we can promote positive feelings with the product. Sometimes the product is not an actual physical good, but a brand or organization. Here, PETA is using argumentative copy. Gentlemen prefer fur-free blondes. 8 out of 10 men are turned off by fur coats, according to Marie Claire. This data can be easily challenged. Also, it's status appeal. If you want to be a woman that is desired by men, don't wear fur, or don't have fur. In these two ads here, it's clear that the ads are competing over the consumer's heart. With similar arguments, they are both saying, pick me, pick me. The last step of purchase, where as advertising we must find out as consumers believe in the product and advance them on to making the purchase, with as little as negative feelings as possible. To do so, we use deals, testimonials, price appeals, point of purchase ads, retail store ads, last chance offers, and more. Here's a testimonial from Jerry Rice, stating that if you want to be able to perform to the fullest of your abilities as an NFL star did, you should see a chiropractor on a regular basis. But testimonials can come from non-celebrities too. The most common are the doctor's lookalike or the housewife swearing over their lives over the effectiveness of a cleaner. Point of purchase advertising can vary in forms and designs. It can take almost any shape, from a sticker on a shelf to a whole display or dispenser as the one here. Part of the advertisements is the product design as well. Here's another example from Lacoste. Here the purpose is to elevate the status of its perfumes and channel the consumer's attention towards choosing Lacoste, or at the very least engage with it. Retail ads, as the one here, are not only effective in convincing the consumer over a specific product displayed in the ad, but more importantly, in the advertiser, the retailer. The price appeal is critical even if you, the buyer, are not interested in a TV at the moment. When you do, you are likely to remember, like, and be convinced that this retailer, in this case Target, is the place to go. Thank you for your time. I hope you now understand better how a purchase is made, and next time you could find ads that will help you move along the purchasing continuum.